Hi, this is Gene from the Adobo Test Kitchen, and I'm here to show you how to make grilled chicken tinola. And here are the ingredients. 5 pounds chicken drumsticks, 3 tablespoons minced garlic, 3 tablespoons ginger, that's julienned, 1 red onion sliced, 8 cups water, 4 tablespoons of fish sauce, 5 ounces of fresh spinach, kosher salt, and extra virgin olive oil. We're going to start by seasoning the chicken liberally with kosher salt. And now we're going to add the olive oil. And now we're going to mix well to make sure that the chicken is evenly coated with salt and olive oil. We're going to set up a grill with all the coals on one side, and we're going to heat up a Dutch oven in the hottest part of the grill. Now we're going to add just a little bit of olive oil. Now we're going to add the garlic. And add the ginger. And the onions. And we're going to saute this until the onions are soft. We're going to move the pot to the cool part of the grill, and we're going to start adding the chicken to the hottest part of the grill. We're going to sear the chicken to add grill marks. We will not be cooking them all the way through in the fire. Now we're going to add the chicken to the Dutch oven. Now we're going to add the water. Now we're going to move the pot back to the hot part of the grill and bring to a boil. Now we're going to move the pot back to the cooler part of the grill. We're going to cover the pot and cover the grill. We're going to let this cook for 30 minutes or until the chicken is cooked all the way through. After the chicken is cooked, we're going to add the fish sauce. Now we're going to add the spinach. Now we're going to remove it from the heat, and this is ready to serve. So there you have it, my recipe for grilled chicken tinola. Please let me know what you think in the comments below. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.